Hi guys! Madaming nagtatanong kung paano ninyo introduce yung sarili during the first day of the class. Now, here's a guide to help a student to introduce herself during the first day of the class. Number 1, start with the greetings. Kunyari, sasabihin mong, "Hi everyone! My name is Cliff." Number 2, sabihin mo yung background mo. Katulad ng, I am currently in first year college taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science. Pangatlo, sabihin mo din yung fan fact about you. Katulad ng mahilig kang manood ng Batang Quiapo or Netflix. For sure, magiging interesado sila sa'yo. At panghuli, end it with enthusiasm. Sabihin mo kung gaano ka ka-excited na maging classmate sila. Katulad ng, I'm so excited to be in this class and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. Dapat ang pagpapakilala mo sa sarili mo ay klaro, friendly, and engaging. Guys, pwede kayong magtagalog ha sa pag